Hi there. Today is just going to be about sorting out the legs for the lathe. I'll just show you the pallet that I found that seems most ideal for that. So I've chosen this pallet here because it's got really thick sides and they're nice and long as well. Also, I wanted to have as much branding and stamps and marks on the lathe as possible, just to keep the connection with the original material and the finished tool. A quick thing, today we're going to be not using this saw anymore, sadly. A video coming shortly about why that is, but essentially it's just the wrong type of metal for the blade. It was only meant to be a practice, so it's done pretty well to get to this point. But I'm going to be using this saw now for cross-cutting. Obviously I didn't make it, but I'm going to try and fix that saw with a new blade. But yeah, video coming shortly about the difference between this tool and my tool, and yeah, so you'll understand, hopefully, if you don't already, why I've chosen to swap saws. It's, as you can see here, this was going to be one of the legs, but unfortunately there's quite a big crack going down, and if I just, that's not going to work as a leg. It's the end of the day. This morning I spent most of it deconstructing this pallet to get this out, two of these for the legs, but since doing that I've realised that now I've got it out, and I sighted up against the main frame so far, that they weren't actually appropriate because they were too wide. These bits here just didn't line up right with the angle that I wanted the leg to be, so it was going to go something like this, and then another leg was going to come out at a 45-degree angle like that, and as you can see it just lines up on this thin part, so I couldn't use it, which is a shame. But since then I've cut more legs out of a different pallet, which are a bit thinner, just a bit more workable, so yeah, it's looking good.